Join me as I dive into the latest rumors and features to see if the Mavic 4 Pro is really about to get the most epic upgrade ever. The Mavic 4 Pro has been a leading drone in its class for quite some time, offering unparalleled performance, stunning video quality, and an impressive list of features that make it a favorite among drone enthusiasts. But as with any technology, there's always room for improvement, and rumors have been swirling about potential upgrades that could elevate its capabilities to the next level. One of the main limitations of the Mavic 4 Pro is its relatively short flight time, which can be frustrating for those who need to capture footage or conduct surveys over a longer period. Additionally, while the camera quality is exceptional, it could benefit from some improvements, especially in low-light conditions. Furthermore, some users have been complaining about the drone's obstacle avoidance system, which can be finicky at times. And let's not forget about the limited storage capacity, which can be a hassle for those who need to store a lot of footage. Drone enthusiasts have been vocal about their desire for innovative features that would take the Mavic 4 Pro to the next level. For instance, a longer flight time would be a game changer, allowing users to capture more footage without needing to constantly recharge the battery. Moreover, improved obstacle avoidance and tracking features would give users more confidence when flying the drone, especially in complex environments. And who wouldn't want even better camera quality, perhaps with advanced features like multi-camera support or enhanced stabilization? Rumors have been circulating about potential upgrades that could address these limitations and more. For instance, there's talk of a new camera system with improved sensor quality, allowing for even better low-light performance and enhanced color accuracy. Moreover, rumors suggest that the flight time may be extended to over 40 minutes, which would be a massive improvement. And let's not forget about the possibility of advanced obstacle avoidance features, including the ability to detect and avoid obstacles in 3D space. Another rumored upgrade is the addition of advanced tracking features, which would allow the drone to follow subjects more accurately and smoothly, even in complex environments. This would be a huge boon for filmmakers and content creators who need to capture smooth, stabilized footage. Moreover, there's talk of a new smart mode that would allow the drone to automatically adjust its flight path based on the environment, reducing the need for manual intervention. The most exciting potential upgrade, however, is the rumored integration of AI-powered flight modes, which would enable the drone to learn and adapt to the environment in real time. This would allow the Mavic 4 Pro to navigate complex spaces with ease, avoid obstacles more effectively, and even detect and respond to anomalies in the environment. This would be a true game changer, setting the Mavic 4 Pro apart from its competitors and cementing its position as a leader in the drone market. In summary, the Mavic 4 Pro is an incredible drone that has the potential to become even more incredible with the rumored upgrades. From improved camera quality to advanced obstacle avoidance and tracking features, these upgrades would take the drone to the next level and give users the features they've been asking for. So, what do you think about these potential upgrades? Are you excited about the possibility of a longer flight time, improved camera quality, and advanced AI-powered flight modes? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest drone technology and rumors, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on drone technology.